Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a very different question. This question was asked in CAT 2008. The question is question number 9. If you want, you can pause your video and you can read the question and try it yourself. So I hope you have read the question. The question says that the seed of any number, the seed of any number is given by n if that number is less than 10, and if it is more than or equal to 10, the seed of the number is given by S of n. Now, what does S of n mean? S of n means that the sum of the digits of the n. For example, they have given seed of 7 is 7 because that number is less than 10. Seed of 248 is given as sum of the digits. So 2 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 14, and again 1 plus 4, seed of 5 would be 5 because that would be less than 10. Now the question is how many positive integers n such that n is less than 500 and they have the seed as 9. So how many numbers are there between 1 to 500 which has the seed as 9? So just to read the question might look complicated, but trust me, it is the easiest question one could have or one could expect in CAT. So let us try to understand what the seed of a number means. So let's take an example. I will take an example of, let's say, 17. So what is the seed of 17? It is 1 plus 7, that is 8. Now understand, whenever you divide any number by 9, so whenever you divide any number by 9, whatever remainder that you get, so in this case, if we divide 17 by 9, we will get 9 ones are 9 and 8. So whatever remainder that you get after you divide that number by 9 is nothing but the sum of its digit. Yeah. So let's take a different example. Let's take an example of 24. So 24, if I divide by 9, I will get 9 to the 18 and 6. 6 is nothing but the sum of the digits of 24. So what we have seen basically is the concept wherein whenever we divide any number by 9, whatever remainder we get is nothing but the sum of its digits. Now coming back to the question says that how many positive integers are there such that their seed is 9. Now understand, if any number seed is 9, that means that number has to be divisible by 9, right? Because seed is nothing but sum of the digits. And if my remainder is 9, and if my remainder is 9, that means that number is completely divisible by 9. That means they have asked how many numbers are between 1 to 500 are divisible by 9. So this was a simple way of asking a question, and this was a complicated way of asking the same question. The question was how many numbers between 1 to 500 are divisible by 9. How do we find that? So we just find the quotient, 500 divided by 9, 9 5s are 45, 9 5s are 45. So there are 55 numbers between 1 to 500 whose seed is 9. So that's your answer.